I got some nerd stuff for you. I am going to replace the capacitors right here on a Game Boy Advance that I previously modded, and I'm going to replace the volume button as well. And if I have enough time, or if this isn't being a pain in the butt, I am going to replace the shell as well. But we'll see. So let's get to it. But I did it. So this is it. As you can see, get a nice little close up of what I've done. So this is I believe one of the regulators on there, and the screen is right here behind the board, and we'll be replacing this bad boy, hopefully no problems. So here's a new one. Go ahead and take this out. Get a nice little close up on it. Oh, with the microscope. Love this little thing. Nice investment. So it looks like it's just surface, sort of. So it shouldn't be hard. It should be pretty easy. So I use all my flux. Put flux on here. So we'll go ahead and put flux on these pins right there. And use a soldering wick to get it up. Looks like we got some resistors or capacitors right by it, so I gotta be careful with that. So go ahead and put some flux on. And I'll do this first. Coming up. Might have to do the resolder method, which is fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and resolder these pins. Oh, did I lose what I'm doing? My bad if I did that. So I'll go ahead and okay. Got what I can. Don't want to leave too much heat on your motherboard because it can mess things up. Everything's still here. Alright, looks like I didn't knock anything loose when it comes to resistors. All that good stuff. Let me clean up this flux, because if you don't, it's hard to get off when it dries, and plus it looks nasty. So I got to be careful what I'm doing here because I got wires going all over the place. You see I got wires going into the back, and I got, looks like wires here. Oh boy, things are falling apart. Alright, go ahead and take out some more screws. Alright, so we got this connected to the AGS 101 screen. Gotta be careful, I don't want to mess that up. And let's see where this is on. Alright, volume is here. And I don't see anything. Yep. So I don't see anything that I need to desolder from here in this area. I'll go ahead and put it in a microscope without breaking anything, hopefully. So right where those dots are, those holes, I was expecting to see something there that had a desolder from the other side, but I don't see anything. So we'll keep on adding flux and try to absorb it with the desoldering wick. So I need to get to that leg. I need to get to this contact right here. Okay. Okay, I think I got that on there. "20 Billy tries." That's where it's at. Okay. Remember R20. Yeah, I'm losing stuff left and right. Alright, R20, where are you? Where are you, R20? Come to the dark side. I must connect you. My dog, I think, is dying. Alright, it's on there. Son of a... Okay. I'm not even using this thing right. Okay. See if this works. Hopefully it works. It's not that loud. It's the Game Boy. But it definitely works now. If you can hear that. Oh snap. So that worked. I was right about the pins, all that good stuff. I need to add a amp to it to make it louder. It's just way too low. So I think I might order that tonight. And yeah, so I'm gonna take a break here. I'll be back here in a little bit. I want to see what's going on with my dog and just take a break. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, so thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you have, let me recap of what I've done to this. I changed the volume potentiometer, this thing right here, the new one, but I ended up ripping up about 3 pads on the motherboard, so I had to reroute the legs to where they go on the motherboard. Figured that out, did that, and I got it to work. So, I believe the next thing I'm going to do with this, with the parts that I have, I'm going to change the capacitors and the power light. So this is green, so I'll make it purple, hopefully. It's pretty small. I don't know if I'll be able to do this. We'll see. Also, in the future, I'm going to replace the speaker and put an amp in there so it'll be a lot louder than this. It's low. You know, you can't hear it. You probably heard that. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch at Ali Creates Content or Ali Creates. Later in the future, I'm going to change it back to Ali Creates because that's what it was. Don't ask why I did that. So, yeah. Give a thumbs up. Peace.